Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Haberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 19th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla closed down 39 cents today at 709.42. Post-market, we are up by $1.08. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. If we don't look at the chart, then we cannot really assess what's really going on. The numbers need context. Okay, so yesterday I could not do a video, but the day before, 2 days ago, we came right up to this downward resistance right here. We could not cross it. Yesterday, we briefly crossed it during the day, but then we caved in quite hard on it to come and rest very close to our support at 695.46. And today, basically, this is a sideways day, so we are still touching 695.46, and we could not reach the resistance at all. Let's go see the 1-hour chart. So 2 days ago, we came down to this upward channel here, upward support right here. Then second hour, we broke it. Stochastic was under 60. What did happen? We fell. We fell. And this morning, we tried to go higher. So second hour was green. Third hour was green also. But look at the wick here. So the price extended itself right next to this resistance. And then we came back down. And then, so when you see a longer wick at the top and no wick at the bottom, it shows that the sellers are taking control or have taken control for that candle. And then next hour, then the stock was pushed back down. And then at that point, at 1:30, the buyers came in, but another wick here, a longer wick at the top, a longer wick at the top here, a longer wick at the top here. So the buyers are trying to get the price to go up, but then it comes back down. So we are right at 695.46. Let's look at the indicators on the daily chart. So stochastic at 7, hyper low, everything else is extremely low. Now the stock is going to have to decide something. If we break this upward resistance with stochastic over 60, so maybe it won't be that first resistance that is going to give us stochastic over 60. Maybe it's the second one, maybe it's the third one. This is what we have to see. But once we have that, then maybe this is going to indicate that things are changing a little bit. Or since we are very close to 695.46, or maybe we are going to cave here under 695.46. So both of these scenarios would be a signal to do something. A buy signal with the stochastic, and we already have stochastic below 0 to short. So just a sell signal right here. So the stock is bound to do something. It's bound to do something. It's been in this downward channel since April 4th. So it's bound to do something. So let's look at the VIX a little bit. VIX went up a lot yesterday, so that made the Tesla drop pretty far. So the VIX is coming down today. Tesla has not really changed much yet. Looking at Dow Jones, the Dow Jones is continuing its descent. So we are outside of this support line. The support line, this should technically be red because it's really now a resistance. But I feel like the stock might want to come back into it. So I'm just leaving it green for now. But this is not looking too good. So we are down at 31,222. So we were there May 12th and we are there today. So are we going to break this and go further down? It's entirely possible. It's entirely possible, but don't act before it happens. Never act before things happen. Be prepared to act when things are happening. Standards and Poor's 500, pretty much the same thing, breaking outside of the downward channel. This is pretty intense. This is pretty intense. This is almost scary. This is almost scary. So because we have two touches here pretty much at the same level, I would say at 38.78, then if we break underneath that, to me, that would be a signal that things are going to go deeper because we have this support here. So once you have a support, if it breaks support, then this is an indication that there's something different and the herd has changed its behavior. The price is going lower. Looking at the Nasdaq Composite. Nasdaq Composite stabilizing right here. Let me give you the number. It's incredible, those numbers. 11,394.94. It's almost like it's not the coincidence. So it's stabilizing right here a little bit. If it goes below, then that's another step that the stock is going to take down. Nasdaq 100, same thing. It's stabilizing a little bit for now. You know, we could do it here. We could do it here. So it's stabilizing it for now. It's still inside this downward channel, but this is in a very steep downward channel within this bigger downward channel. There's no indication that things are going to move up again. It would be nice to have the index go up to maybe 12,978, then maybe come back down again, or upwards to this resistance and then come back down again. So we could be able to catch a bull move here and a short move here. This is what I see. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my affiliate links. I have affiliate links for some interesting stuff. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.